Hey guys, so less than a month's time we're gonna see not one but 4 gaming smartphones in action. All 4 smartphones will compete against each other and Lenovo Legion Y90 is one of them. Judging by the recent speculation around the device, it might just have the most impressive firepower we've seen on a phone till now. The Lenovo Legion Y90 is going to break all records when it comes to RAM and memory. According to a new information, the Legion Y90 will be the first smartphone in the world that will have 22GB of total RAM, 18GB of which will be true physical RAM and 4GB virtual RAM. The storage is equally impressive too, maxing out at a total of 640GB, made possible by actually combining 2 separate 512GB and 128GB sticks. More interestingly, the Legion Y90 will stick to its nature of a gaming phone with a total of 6 gaming keys. These will include 4 shoulder keys as well as 2 pressure sensors. There will be a cooling system by the name of Frostblade 3.0 that employs dual fans for heat dissipation. It will also pack dual X-axis motors for haptic feedback. The rest of the specifications are exactly what you would expect from a gaming smartphone, like it has a Samsung-made E4 Super AMOLED display with 144Hz high refresh rate and 720Hz touch sampling rate, meaning both regular operations as well as gaming should be buttery smooth. The processor we all know is gonna be Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. The device will get power from a massive 5600 mAh battery with 68W fast charging support. For cameras, it may get a 64MP Omnivision lens and a 16MP secondary lens, making up a simple dual lens camera setup. At the front, it may get a 44MP selfie snapper. It's likely to go official in China next month, right after the Chinese Spring Festival, which will be held from February 1 to February 12. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.